Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here from CinemaSound.com. Today we're going to be looking at another addition to the series on comparing and contrasting Adobe Premiere Pro with a Davinci Resolve Fairlight page. Today we're going to be looking at clip plugins. What plugins do we put on clips that perhaps we can't put on channels? And let's see which NLE has the most flexibility and power. Let's roll. All right, we're here in Adobe Premiere Pro and Davinci Resolve, which you probably shouldn't be running both together at the same time, but we are here to get some demos done. We're going to take a look at what it's like to the differences and the compares and contrasts between putting a plugin on your channel strip versus putting it on a clip. Are there similarities? Or do we have this access to the same plugins if we put it on a clip or on a channel? Let's find out. So we're here in Davinci Resolve, and it's very easy to add a plugin to the channel. We just go to any of these audio channels or buses, and we click on the plus, and we see a great organization of how things are. And we go to Fairlight Effects, and we have the dialogue processor vocal channel. There's the delay and echo. Here we have dynamics, the limiter, multiband compressor, and soft clipper. And we can easily add these willy-nilly, no problem. Also on the channel itself, you've got the EQ built in to every channel, the full parametric EQ, and then of course the dynamics with that as a compressor, limiter, expander gate built in, which is pretty cool. Then when we go to clips, if we select clip and we have the inspector open, the effects library open, we go to Fairlight Effects and we see a large host of effects that are available to us: chorus, de-esser, de-hummer, dialogue processor. The same kind of thing we can drag to a clip here and it'll happily open, and we go to effects, and then there is all of it showing up, which we can automate and do keyframes. But you'll already notice here's the multiband compressor. That's one of the ones that is actually layered between both the channel and the clip. But if you notice the dynamics, this right here is not available. You don't have that anywhere in here. In fact, you don't actually have a compressor in here. You have a limiter, all right, and that's handy and nice. There it is. Oh, by the way, we can get rid of them by just hitting the trash, which is cool. But there's and this EQ, although there is an EQ that's built into every clip, you can see this is nothing like this. This is far more important. Now we can go and put vocal channel on this, and then we get some more bands and a little weenie compressor. But this is, again, no comparison to what we would get with the large format equalizer that's in the channel or dynamics. So we're really missing out in the terms of clips, clip plugin capability from what were available here in the channel. In fact, there's sort of different plugins altogether. Now let's take a look at Premiere. In Premiere, there we can select a clip. We'll go over to Effects, and here is Audio Effects here on this tab down here. And in Premiere, they bundle the VST and AU plugins in with their own. But let's say we wanted to add, let's see, where is it? There's the multiband compressor. We just drag it over here to the clip, and then we go to Effects Controls. Losing my mind. There. And we see here's the multiband compressor. We click Edit, and there it is very happily. Similarly, we can go to the audio track mixer, and then all of these plugins, nearly every last one of them, is also available to us on the channel strip as well, on any bus. So you can have it per clip, and you can have it on any channel. Now, what this doesn't have, which Resolve does have, is that built-in EQ that's there. But it does have the panner, it does have channel volume, and all of the automation capabilities that are there via keyframes, and of course on the channel mixer via straight automation, also there in Davinci Resolve. But the overall situation here is that there's far more flexibility between what you can put on a clip and what you can put on a channel in Premiere Pro than there is in Davinci Resolve, where you're really kind of limited. There's a whole bunch of effects on the channel that you can't apply on the clip level, and that can become really, really problematic. So here, the winner is clearly Premiere Pro. So without question, simply from the fact that Adobe Premiere Pro can apply nearly every one of its channel plugins to a clip, it wins hands down because of the incredible limits that the good folks at Blackmagic decide to impose on the good Fairlight plugins. There's just no comparison. So I hope they fix that soon. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If so, please subscribe to us here at the Cinema Sound YouTube channel and enjoy the hundreds of videos that we have to help you get that $1 million Hollywood audience immersion into your media and productions. And join us at cinemasound.com, where we have hundreds of articles that even get into more detail as to how it all works, as well as the world's only fully comprehensive audio education for picture that takes you from knowing nothing about audio and sound all the way to delivering in 5.1 Dolby. Hopefully we'll see you there. If not, we will see you in post.
Even if it's for yourself.